Christy McCoy from Menlo Park, California. I can't be the only viewer interested in the logistics of your show. Love to see the green room where the guests wait. The food set up for them. They're always raving about it. I'd like to see where Grant and Jeanette and Woo Woo. Oh, that's so cute. She really does watch that. Those are the names of some of our culinary team, where they hang out, and how the swaps are prepared for a particular dish. Well, first of all, we've made a lovely package that's very thorough and answers this. Before to get to that, I legitimately write every single thing that I say, this is what's for dinner tonight on this television show and in every cookbook and in our magazine. So that is my food. We do have to, because our cooking segments are just a few minutes, we do have to have swap outs, but that is legitimately my food. What's given to our green room is like a pop-up restaurant. All of our culinary team, they're fabulous, fabulous, very creative chefs, and they take turns being the chef of the week for our show. So these guys get an opportunity to really shine and bring all of our guests what they would serve if they had a little mini pop-up restaurant. Our green rooms were done by Tanya Nyack when we moved into this studio, but they're all based on places I love, and like one room's the Adirondacks, where I come from, where I live today. One room's like the Hamptons, kind of beachy, like the scene out in the North Fork of Long Island and the South Fork where the beaches are. So everything here is very personal to us, but this probably is the most asked question. So let's roll the tape.
Hey guys, you've heard about all the amazing green room food that we make at the Rachael Ray Show. I just made this up for Chilan. I just made a little Asian green room food. I never know when the celebrities are gonna come, so what I like to do is I like to make pre-made frozen foods by myself and put them in the freezer, so when they come, I can just pop it and it's ready for them. Let's go. Hi Chilan, how are you doing today?
I'm great now, look at this.
So I have a little carrot salad, apple cake, Brussels sprouts, a pot sticker, some chicken rolls, and some fresh fruit. Enjoy!
Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Rachel's dressing room. It's where she gets dressed for shows every morning. When she comes in, we always look at the schedule together and then figure out what she's going to wear for the day. Follow me and I'll show you her closet. This is her closet where we keep all of the clothes that she's worn on the show. It's crazy, right? I have a tip for you. If you have to be on your feet all day like Rachael is, wear chunky heels. They'll be a lot more comfortable.
Hi, I'm Robin.
And I'm Carrie.
We're the hair and makeup team here at the Rachael Ray Show, and this is the room where we get everybody ready to go on camera. You're just in time. I'm going to put a fake eyelash on Chelsea right now. The biggest mistake people make when they're applying an eyelash is to glue the lash to their eyelid instead of the lash line. What I like to do is lay the lash right onto her natural lashes and slide it right into that little ridge that's the lash line. It's perfect. Beautiful.
I'm DELANCEY. I'm the art director of the Rachael Ray Show. Every day I do the chalkboard for Rachel's recipe that she's cooking that day. On special shows, we do a really big chalkboard. I'm just putting the finishing touches up on this one. Why don't you go meet the rest of the art department?
I'm Jackie. Part of my job here is doing the floral. If you want to get a look like this at home, I suggest sticking with one species and arranging in a vase that has a small opening. That's it, gotta get these to set.